Hello! In this tutorial, we will go over how to access the Films on Demand database through the King University Library. We want to start by going to the library's website, library.king.edu. From this one page, you can access almost all of our library's electronic resources. For today, we want to scroll down and click on Article Finder. This takes us to a list of every database the King Library subscribes to, listed in alphabetical order. Let's go to Films on Demand and click on it. If you are off campus, you will be prompted to log in. Your username and password are the same that you use to log into Canvas. Once you are on the web page, you can either browse by subject or search for a specific topic or video. Let's search for a video. Alright, this is the one we want. Once you've selected a video, the interface is fairly straightforward. On the right, they have a transcript of the video and timestamps to the different segments of the video. You can select a segment, and the video player will only play that portion, pausing at the end. Click play on the main video just to play through the whole thing. On this bottom toolbar, you can toggle captions and change the video speed. And that's it. That's the bulk of how to use Films on Demand database. If you have any further questions, you can email us at library@king.edu for help.